Yeah. Okay, you got your washer? First washer from that side?
Nope, I haven't pulled any. Oh, there it is. It's on there.
Yeah. Take a quick call. Get that out of there. That's the important piece that the other guy messed up.
Ah. Is the washer still on there? Yeah, it's clean. There you go, there's your shim. Now what?
Clean that off so the grease helps it stick, because the oil will make it fall off.
Yeah. Both of those are lubed up. And there's your clicking.
I think it said to do this one first. We got the washer. Yeah.
So you put the springs in after it's in place?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I think the divot goes in like that.
This should look like, yeah. Because I want to get that
And
piece
now-
look like it.
That goes in like that. And that's where you put the spring in with the gap.
Gotcha.
The spring, you kind of jam it in there,
Yep.
and it sits on the little thing.
Yep.
That centers the spring.
Isn't that crazy? That little spring. How are you gonna put the pin in it? Oh, now that it's in, I see what you mean.
This is where they tell you to get a little. Push it. Where's the secret?
It's not in there.
It's right there though, right? Yeah. That's where it goes. Okay, pull it out to you a little.
Oh, to me?
Yeah, oh, it's right there. Yep. Okay. Now pull it to you.
Yep.
There we go.
Ooh. Look at that. One down. The sleeve is, that sleeve is the right way, right?
Yeah, the gas, that little recess covers the C-clip
Gotcha.
and holds it.
Okay.
So hopefully it should fit in like that.
It's got no other choice but to. Perfect. Look at that. Now, getting that to fit is gonna be a snug.
We need a C-clip in there.
Let me see what it might.
That's what that.
Don't lose those pieces.
No, you know the hole in it? That's what it was for, right there. For the C-clip, remember that?
Good job. So we gotta line.
Tell me when the clip lines up.
Go in, I think.
Put them all in here.
Maybe not. Oh, go back out. Oh, there you go. So a little more in. How does this work? Oh yeah, we gotta line it up with the. So it does fit.
All right, now before you do that, now we gotta get the pins.
Yeah.
That goes in there like that. So now what we do is we gotta line them up, put that one, yeah, so the things line up. Now we gotta jam.
Okay. Spring inside each one, right?
This one goes in here now. There, like that.
Oh.
Now a spring goes in there.
That's gonna be fun.
We'll see.
Let me try it. Let me go in this way first? Yep. Alright. Alright. I think that's in the proper spot. I'm assuming you're supposed to pinch that?
Oh, now let's try one of these.
Got it.
Almost. The end's sticking out already.
Oh, you got it.
Come on. Now you gotta spin them both together.
I was gonna say that isn't so same time, so I guess the axle?
Yeah, because the big thing was, see how that's nice in there? If you put that together, when these are not lined up, you'll never get it to line up.
Yeah. And that's how the spring stays in there?
That's it.
Wow. And it never comes out. Wow. I mean, listen, if that's how it is, my truck's a prime example of it still staying. I don't know.
So, you know, we'll leave them like that. We'll turn both. Yeah, like that.
So that guy's gotta slide in, you said?
Slide in there.
Blast. Now your diff is forever locked. Look at that.
Yeah, it's in there. Now, hopefully, tap tap.
Got it? Yep. Okay. Nice. So we have to remove that, don't we? To line up with the housing. There you go. Yep, keep going. And we'll spin the whole thing here. Ready?
Is that the one that the bolt? Yeah, the bolt goes there. Is there a hole there for a bolt?
No bolt.
All right, go right around more.
Keep going. Alright, go down. There you go.
Hold your wheel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. There you go. That's what it's supposed to do.
Hold yours. I'm gonna go
Yep.
forward.
Now you got it. And now they're both locked.